So in this video we have a question: a plus 2ab plus b is equal to 8, and they are asking us to find the value of a plus b. So whenever we have these questions, we need to find the value of a and b, but you can notice here that we are given just one equation, and for finding two variables we should have two equations. So in such cases, when you have just one equation and you are asking that they are asking you to find two variables, so in such cases what do? You just try to factorize this term. Whatever we have on the left, try to factorize it. Somehow if we can factorize it in two pairs, then we can take combinations. We will see the solution now. Okay, so we have here a plus 2ab plus b. Can I multiply this equation with 2 on both sides? So it will become 2a plus 4ab plus 2b is equal to 16. But why did I do that? You will just understand now. It's 2a plus 4ab plus 2b. Now I will just add 1 on both sides. So I can write it here, adding 1 on both sides. So if whatever we are doing, multiplying or adding, if we are doing on both sides of equal sign, that won't affect the equation, right? So here on left hand side, if we see this term, I can take 2a common, right? I will be left with 1 plus 2b plus this 2b plus 1 can be written as 1 plus 2b, and right hand side is 17, right? Now from these two terms, this and this, I can take 1 plus 2b common. So I am left with 2a plus 1 is equal to 17. Or you can say 2a plus 1, 2b plus 1 is equal to 17. Now we have the advantage here. As you can see that 17 is a prime number. And they told us that a and b both are positive integers. A and b both are positive integers, right? So 17 can be written as 17 times 1 or 1 times 17. There is no other possible option, right? So I can write 17 either this or this. But eventually we need to find the value of a plus b. Okay, so we can take one of these cases because it won't affect the answer. Because if you take 2a plus 1 17, then b will be different. If you take 2b plus 1 17, and then 2b plus 2a plus 1 is equal to 1. So it won't affect actually, because eventually you need to find a plus b. So suppose I considered this case, 2a plus 1, 2b plus 1 is equal to 17. Okay, so which is equal to 2a plus 1 is 17, 2b plus 1 is 1, right? So 2a is equal to 17 minus 1, 2a is 16, a is equal to 8, and 2b is equal to 1 minus 1, 2b is 0, b is 0. So what is a plus b? A plus b is 8 plus 0, that is 8, right? So a plus b is 8. So if you would have taken 1 times 17, then you would have got a0 b8. and then as well a plus b is equal to 8. So we can consider any of these cases and we will find this answer. So whenever you see that they are asking you to find the value of two variables but they are giving just one equation, always try to factorize. So I hope you understood it. If you got it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.